The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the effectiveness of FleXstorm Inlet Filters during a major rain event. We selected a job site with traditional filter fabric placed directly under the storm sewer grates. As is typical with this type of inlet protection, flow is restricted into the storm sewer because the fabric becomes clogged at the surface. We removed the flow-restricting fabric from the left side of the street and allowed the immediate area to drain. We then inserted a FleXstorm inlet filter under that grate. All other fabric-only protection was left in place. Once the rain begins, it's clear to see drainage through the inlet filter on the left side and additional water accumulation on the right side of the street.
See the right side of the street draining down into the pond.
The FleXstorm inlet began taking on water from across the street in all areas of the job site. It managed to keep up with the increased flow burden, utilizing its overflow feature. The right side of the road, however, continues to erode the surrounding area and drain off down to the pond. We returned to the job site the day after the rain event to survey the damage. All inlets with the fabric left in place demonstrated ponding and erosion in the surrounding area. Although the inlet filter did require maintenance, it allowed the immediate area to drain and possibly prevented additional erosion damage. These photos were taken 3 days after the major rain. As you can see, the job site had still not drained, and erosion is clearly evident. And finally, 3 weeks after the rain, we see the extensive maintenance and repair work required to correct the erosion. This was only one area of the job site. You multiply that by 10 or 20 times and you can see the costs surely add up without the correct erosion control measures in place.